nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, give a fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga. Make it clap like you got it right. Make it got it right.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you guys how I got this hair, how I installed it, what I used to get this color, the method I used, and who sponsored this video. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. This video is sponsored by OOHHAIR company. They sent me, I don't remember the length that they sent me. I think it's a 14 or 16 inches. I don't remember, something around that sort. So they sent me up 613 wig, and it is a 13 by 6 wig. And here I'm just showing you guys like what came inside of the box. Like that's pretty much just the instruction sheet on how to care for the wig and stuff of that nature. Also, they sent me an elastic band, and this elastic band is one of the best elastic band I've came across from ever since I started doing wigs, just because it's pretty much like a bra, so it's easy to attach to the hair. Like you had to do literally no sewing. I kind of showed you guys a little bit more on how to attach it like later on in the video, so I will just wait until then to show you guys how I do it. So now I'm just showing you guys how the hair comes. Honestly, the hair is very soft. It came pre-plucked, so I did not need to pluck it. The only thing I had to do was to just dye the hair and attach it to my head. And it came with 4 combs. 2 at the side, I think 1 in the middle and 1 at the back. But I don't know why I'm not in the frame, but yeah, that's how the hair came. And now I'm just showing you guys the 2 dyes that I used. I think, hold on for a second, let me go for the bottles to kind of tell you guys the 2 dyes that I used. The dyes that I use is from Adore, and I used the copper brown and cinnamon, and I just mixed both inside the bowl. Also, the bowl has hot water in it. I just used a tap hot water, and I free-handed it, so I didn't know how much. I didn't measure anything. I literally just put whatever I felt like I needed, and then I tested like a little strand, and I kept going back with either more of the cinnamon if I wanted to be more orangey, and if I realized that it needed to go back more on the burgundy side, I put more of the copper brown. So I just went back and forth with both dyes, and again I just free-handed it, mixed it around, and then I just dipped the hair inside of it, like literally, and it was done in probably 2 minutes. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I did that, and then I'll come.
Like me, open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness.
I was finished dyeing it. The roots was a little bit more orange than the rest of the hair. I don't know why, but that's how it came out, but it was okay. either ways. I still liked it. And I just left it. I literally left it until the next day. I allowed it to air dry, and then I left it, not even the next day. I think it was 2 days after, because I didn't put it on like the exact same. I didn't put it on the next day, so I left it about 2 days to dry, and the next day I installed it. And this is how it looked the next day, all dried. I did go in and flat iron. I did go in and straighten the hair. I'm gonna show you guys like the 4 different combs that it came with and how the inside of the wig looks. And also, those are the 2 black bands that you're seeing is pretty much the elastic band, and I'm going to show you guys how I attach them together. But this is just how inside of the wig looks. Now I'm just adding the foundation to the wig, just because it's not a regular 1B hair. So of course I don't normally bleach 613 hair. I don't know if you can bleach it, but I'm just adding the foundation to the hair, and I'm cutting off the back piece, the back lace that is attached to the hair. So if the wig comes with this elastic band. But guys, just now I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna use the elastic band just because I can't be bothered to sew it. But I don't think you have to sew it, because the way how it comes is, it comes with these part, which is, I don't know what this part is called, but you could clip this part on this part, and you could clip these together. So I'm guessing that you guys got me in this one. So right now what I was doing was basically measuring the wig to my head to make sure where I attached the elastic band. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't too loose or it wasn't too big for my head. I just wanted it to be the right size. I think I left it in the middle. And then after, I just went in with the foundation to put it on my stocking cap to kind of blend it a little bit more. And I didn't glue it down or anything like that. I used the Got to Be glue method just because I've been changing wigs recently. Not recently, frequently. I've been changing wigs frequently, and like my head goes and my head comes. So sometimes I'm just like, I can't be bothered with no wigs, and then the next day I'm like, okay, let me wear a cute little wig, and then I want to take it off back. So I've been using the Got to Be glue spray to install my wigs, just because it is more of a temporary hold, and of course the glue gives off a longer hold than the Got to Be glue. another thing. Oh, I must say another thing. Another thing is, whoa, the hell? No, we can't do this. No, no. Okay, so another thing is, when I was installing the wig, I was getting sick. So I was getting migraines. So I ended up not. I didn't finish install the wig. I had to redo the video the next day. So as you can see, it's now night. This is me installing the wig, not the same time I started it. So I did it like the day after. So you're gonna see that the wig is already cut, like the lace is already cut off and all of that, because I was obviously installing it the day before. But then because I got sick and whatever, like my head started hurting me too. Like it was hurting me from the morning, but then I was kind of ignoring it, but it got too bad. So I had to stop, and this is the next day. This is the next day of me installing the wig. So the lace is already cut off, so don't be confused. And the way in which I install it is pretty much just as how I always install the rest of the rest of my wigs, with the Got To Be glue spray. Nothing new, nothing extra. It's the same method. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I install this hair, and I'll get back to you guys at the end of the video.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
All the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see.
Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
Thanks for watching. Thank you OOHHAIR for sponsoring this video. I'm in love with this hair and hopefully I can work with you guys in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Yeah, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.
Looking at a lame and he famous. Clout chasing all different angles. Little nigga don't know it get dangerous.